So we can see the Usos paying into tag team Jimmy Uso and Jey Uso. First tag team match, Jey Uso going to suicide dive on Xavier Woods on this Monday Night Raw. Now Jey Uso is going on top rope to smash Xavier Woods. Usos splash covered by Jey Uso, but Xavier Woods kick out. We can see a drone shot from WWE Monday Night Raw. Now the Usos going for double Usos splash. Double Usos splash on Xavier Woods, covered by Jey Uso, but Xavier Woods again kick out. The Usos splash. Kofi Kingston smash Jey Uso. Now Xavier Woods roll Jimmy Uso. Super punch by Jey Uso, Jimmy Uso. DDT by Xavier Woods on Jimmy Uso. Now the New Day have a chance to smash the Usos. Kofi Kingston dive on Jimmy Uso from the top rope. Now Xavier Woods going on top rope. Knee drop by Xavier Woods on Jimmy Uso, covered by Xavier Woods, but Jey Uso saved this match. Kofi Kingston spear by Jimmy Uso on Kofi Kingston, tag on Jey Uso. Now Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso going to smash Kofi Kingston on this Monday Night Raw, covered by Jey Uso. Now the Usos get victory against the New Day members Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods on this Monday Night Raw. Now we have a Braun Breaker versus Jey Uso single match. Braun Breaker angry on Jey Uso because Jey Uso is going again and again on top rope. Now match started between Jey Uso versus Badass Braun Breaker on this WWE Holiday Tour. Jey Uso is again going on top rope for Yeet on his famous song, but Braun Breaker get angry and going to destroy Jey Uso. Braun Breaker destroy Jey Uso. Jey Uso hitting punches on Badass Braun Breaker. Going from top rope, Jey Uso eliminate Braun Breaker. Now referee count 3. Now Jey Uso is going for suicide dive, but Braun Breaker counter. Braun Breaker counter attack on Jey Uso. Now Braun Breaker is going for clothesline. Running clothesline by Badass Braun Breaker on main event Jey Uso. Braun Breaker won referee. Now Badass Braun Breaker tag on Jey Uso in this WWE Live Holiday Tour. WWE Universe also support Jey Uso. Now Braun Breaker is fully control on Jey Uso. Braun Breaker take his revenge from Jey Uso to troll audience, and Jey Uso doing it. Braun Breaker 360 splash on Jey Uso. Braun Breaker don't want to end this match. He is destroying Jey Uso. Is in funny way. Badass Braun Breaker again and again going troll WWE Universe and fully destroy Jey Uso in this WWE Live Holiday Tour. Again knee attack by Braun Breaker on main event Jey Uso on this WWE Live Holiday Tour. Now Braun Breaker is going again to knee attack on Jey Uso, but Jey Uso counter and Braun Breaker get soaking. Braun Breaker gets soaking attack from turnbuckle, then Jey Uso counter on Badass Braun Breaker. Main event Jey Uso eating punches on Badass Braun Breaker. Now Jey Uso have an advantage to destroy Badass Braun Breaker. Turnbuckle attack by Jey Uso, cover by Jey Uso, but Braun Breaker kick out, and referee have a 2 count. Now Jey Uso have advantage against Badass Braun Breaker on this WWE Live Holiday Tour. Now Jey Uso is going for a spear, but a Badass Braun Breaker counter and going for DDT from Jey Uso, and Badass Braun Breaker kick out by Braun Breaker, and a referee have a 2 count. Jey Uso is fully tries best to destroy Badass Braun Breaker. We have a single match between Braun Breaker and Jey Uso. Now Jey Uso is going on top rope for the Usos' place, but Braun Breaker counter and destroy Jey Uso. Kick out by Jey Uso when tried as Braun Breaker pin. Braun Breaker angry on WWE referee. Then Jey Uso kick out Braun Breaker famous move. Braun Breaker at Devon referee. When referee tried to stop this match is disqualified by the referee ban. Badass Braun Breaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee has disqualified Braun Breaker. Therefore, the winner of this match is a result of the disqualification.
Referee is disqualified Badass Braun Breaker and Jey Uso get a victory against Badass Braun Breaker. After this match, Badass Braun Breaker is going to smash Jey Uso and going for the spear on Jey Uso. Super kick by Jey Uso on Badass Braun Breaker. Now spear by Jey Uso on Badass Braun Breaker.